So, this is part 3 now.
No,
Dad accidentally ended the video. So
well, we're just gonna finish back 2 real quick.
And then we'll just make episode 3.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get back 3.
Yeah, just go ahead. This is episode 3 now, so don't worry.
Where is number 3?
This is gonna really quickly finish up bag 2.
Yeah, number 3. Do we have spare pieces?
Okay, we're gonna have to do our build all and our bonus piece all. Oh, I have to do that again.
I can do it.
No, I can do it. It's my turn. Oh.
We had no spare pieces.
Wait,
We had no spare pieces.
Wait a minute.
We had no spare
Okay, got
pieces.
that. Then, okay, cool.
You put it on.
Then we just plonk it right here.
Wait, make sure that's lined up. Okay, that's lined up. Open. Now work.
Alright, yeah, it's supposed to be like this.
Wait, we need down. Wait, my God.
It's always open.
Okay,
Put
put
it
it on.
Wait, here. Wait, no, we have to do the bonus. Okay, there's no bonus.
Yeah, there's no bonus pieces.
Here's our cat.
This is
Our
our
cat abomination.
We have that many bonus pieces. 2 bonus pieces. And number 3.
Part 3.
I did this one.
My guess is that we're just gonna make this black. Back 3. I think this might be the last episode for today.
No.
Rude. Oh, there's noise. That's when you know that you're gonna about to get mad. Okay, you did the first piece. Noise. My turn.
I feel like there might be some spare pieces on this one.
So we need.
What are we even building? Oh, we're building that.
We're doing building that.
Building it.
Sick.
Yes.
So we're gonna build. Wait, where's that? Boom, boom. Yeah, I have no idea how this is gonna turn into a cat.
You can that. Okay, this looks like an actual. I bet what we're building is going to be the top of this. The skyscraper. I'm going to put that there.
Sorry if you didn't see us in episode 2. That was round 2.
Yeah, we already forgot. We forgot. We didn't realize that it wasn't filming video.
Well, it was, but
You didn't see us filming the thing. They can kind of see our face. They can see you now.
Yay!
Yay.
Woohoo! We got this. Then we need
This.
this. And then we can put it.
We put it on that side.
Wait. Put these here. Wait, no. It'd be like. Here's our abomination so far. Oh, our abomination. And here's the hall. I know everybody else knows, but this is the hall for bag 2 and 3.
Okay, now put this one. Next, I do this. That's a long piece. Can you move your elbow?
Okay.
Dude, I had to do 3 pieces, and that's my side. Come on. Where am I supposed to put this? Wait.
be like more to the paws.
That way. Wait, here?
Yeah, I see with the box. I see. I know. I think I know what's going on. So what we just built. What we built.
We're building right. We're building this. Yeah,
We
look.
built these things.
I bet we're doing this. Well, wait. So
We
look,
built these two, and then we might.
we're building this thing that goes inside the belly.
Oh yeah.
Really did not mean to be gone.
We built
Because
that.
we gone that long, but they
And the
little
belly's like
pieces,
here.
everything they had.
Anyways,
Okay. Cool.
don't eat the box.
It'll be fine. So we need this piece. Where's that? That piece and that piece. What are the instructions? This. I can kind of see it coming together, but not really. So where do I put this now? I put it. Oh, I see.
Never only thought that, like, if you got like an 18 and up Lego set and you're building when you're 4, you would get arrested.
I think we're building the claws.
All does this even have ball?
Good.
I don't think it does. Actually, I'm gonna do a claw on this one. I'm gonna make a rule. Every time when you finish a page, you have to double check to see if you got every single piece. Because like, I don't really, not really. Oh, kinda.
I think back three is going to be longer because by this point in part 2 we're already almost done. We're 7 minutes in.
Yeah, because that bag was really short anyway, so. This is a big area.
Area.
Big page. Around.
Ow! Robert.
You're disgusting.
Yeah, the cat's new name is Robert. I named it before it even existed.
Is this what cats look like when they give birth?
I hope
When
not.
they're alive? Wait, is this what cats look like when they're in their in their mom's stomach? Like they actually wait, does that mean Kitty has a full skyscraper in her stomach?
I hope not.
Anyway, this is your turn.
Okay, cool.
That's what you get to do.
Let's go. It's a banger.
Oh, I have to do it again?
Yep, gotta do it again. So, how does this work? It goes like that. Oh, this was kind of weird. Oh, your turn.
Wait, let me see if that's right. Yeah.
You just need to repeat that again.
Just imagine we have to do it like 3 more times.
No, I think you only have to do it once or twice. I think you have to do it twice.
Breaking news, can't find this.
Oh,
Oh, found it.
and a slope piece.
I don't know why when I build a Lego set, I'm always when I try to look for a piece, I go like this.
Kind of like you're doing a puzzle. Okay. Oh yeah, I get a long one. Okay, so I have to repeat something I already did.
I think also you get to do the one that you do like all these things and stuff.
So,
So you get to do 2 long ones.
gotta do this. Gotta do this. Where's my goal? That's one. And then that one. Boom. Shabop. Shabang. And we need to add it to this. Oh, come on.
No, the other system. Even though there's 3 pieces.
This thing.
I would be like trying to figure out how to hide it.
This. Alright, so be like this.
That right there and have it forward.
Bigger.
It's gonna be your turn in just like 30 seconds. I can't do it. Wait. How am I supposed to do this?
You messed
Oh,
up. You messed
great.
this.
That's good. Wait, I'm so confused right now. Where's that? You haven't even done this.
No, I didn't.
No, you didn't.
I didn't.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, I forgot to do something. Yeah, you're right.
Oh.
Where's the thing? Where's
Wait,
the
wait,
thing?
wait, wait. Stop, stop, stop,
I
stop.
forgot to add this.
No, don't put it there. Don't put it there yet. I think we messed up. Yeah, because this is not supposed to go here. I need to take this part. This needs to go here.
If that's the need to go in the middle one.
No, and you don't understand. You don't.
I'm so confused.
Look. You gotta put it here. You gotta do the middle. It's middle. Or wherever these things went. Where is it? Where's the other one?
One word, no.
Yes, you do. Well, look. I'm gonna show you. Now, no, keep that there. And then, it's not middle one anyways. Wait.
Then you have to move that white one.
Wait. I'm so confused right now.
You messed
Oh,
it
I
up
see.
again.
I see. You did that wrong. Wait, then you find
And then
where
you have
you
to
put
add
that
this
piece.
thing.
Yep. Okay.
And then you actually have to make it snap.
Then you. Wait, no. I'm so confused.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
No.
What? Why is it confusing?
Because you wait. They're gonna restart this.
Come on.
Dude,
Why do we have to restart the whole
you're
step?
gonna ruin the video if you're
Come
complaining
on.
like this.
We did it correctly.
No, you didn't.
And then you just.
Oh, I see what we did wrong. Okay, then put that there. Then you gotta put this here.
And boom.
Then what?
Problem solved.
Okay, so now we have that, and then we can do that. Then we do. Oh, I bet the piece is too long, maybe. Maybe no, it's not. I don't know. I think it's like this. Is it? Like that. Then you put piece. Put it there. Okay. And
And then you take this
then
one.
we put it here.
There you go. Now all our problems are solved. That was way more complicated than it actually should have been.
Because you put that piece, the reason why I was messed up is because you put this piece right there, and you basically like switch the whole thing.
So now we need to do. This piece. Oh, I got a long one. I got a long one.
That was the
on
one
me.
that I did.
I got a long one on me.
Stop. Stop now.
Okay. Listen to the birdies sing, rise and shine.
Waking up the talk to you.
Waking up this hard to do. Rise and shine. Don't be blue. I don't know. Rising up is with the day. I was listening to the birdies sing. Rise and shine. That's
Don't be blue. waking up the school to do. This is a legal building technique.
Not really.
Yes, it is. It is. It's a legal building technique.
Oh, yeah, it is. That totally is.
Dude, that actually is.
I know. I said that totally is. I was actually being a joke.
Breaking up. Breaking up.
No. Don't say that.
Why?
But I told you.
Damn it.
Boom. Then we need this line one.
Yeah!
And that one. And that one.
Breaking up is to do.
There's still a lot of pieces.
What?
Now you just put it here like you did with the other one.
Well, I think we might be missing. Yeah, you're missing something.
What am I missing?
I can do it. I'm gonna do it.
Oh, come on. Oh, I see what.
See, you did double check.
Guys, it's the Roblox logo. Dude, this is crazy. My turn. Wait, did you add the?
Yeah.
Did you add this?
Yeah. I did it a long time ago.
Where?
In there. Right there.
Oh, I see now. Number 80. Zombie crazy boy. Okay, please move. I'm trying to get my instructions. The other packets.
I'm just playing with the pieces.
And then we need that long one.
It's a space invader, I guess.
Okay, your turn.
I don't know what that is. Then we take whatever that piece of that. We already have it.
I want these pieces.
Okay, play with them. Yay.
I get to play with
I'm
them.
so confused. Oh, there it is. Just don't do anything bad.
Oh, no.
Why did they have to do two of these pieces? Like, that was not necessary. They could have just done one of these.
That's a cool design.
That was like the worst thing possible to do. I need 40 pieces. Okay, your turn.
My turn. Boom.
Mine.
Boom.
Might as well do my part.
Boom, boom, boom. 3. Where's my other boom boom? I need one more boom boom.
What's a boom boom?
Boom boom is
What's
one of
a-
these things.
What do they look like?
There's these things. I think we're missing a piece. Oh, never mind. Found it. Combine. So now we need to go to this middle one. Go. This one, and that's one piece gap.
I
It's my turn.
I didn't first my frame.
Wait, does this one have holes? Yes, it is. Okay, so it's supposed to go like this. And this one is supposed to go like this. Okay, then we take this one. There. Now it's your turn. No. Wait, how long will it take until we have to use these pieces?
Let's see. Your turn.
Am I sure? Haha, you don't get to play with these! I'm the bully.
You get to take all of them. No fair. You get like all the good ones. I had like all mine were like 3 pieces.
Yeah, but before that, it was like all mine were big pieces.
No.
Oh, it felt like that.
Anyways, whatever. In 21 minutes.
I need that piece. This might be it for this one.
No, it's not to do that.
Yeah, but then would that be back to 4 after this
Yeah.
page?
Wait. No.
Not quite.
No. Yeah, that will.
And then that will be the end of this video.
And then we'll probably do another episode right after.
No, we don't know.
Oh, I messed that up.
Guys, make sure you go back to the previous episode so you can see what it looked like at the beginning, because this is what it looks like now.
Piece dropped.
This thing's gonna be a foot tall when we're done. It's already as big as my head.
It's probably gonna be like this. Look at my elbow. Maybe David's. Probably David's. Okay, I need this. Here's the top. Here's the top of the skyscraper. Wait, no, we're not. We have one
Ow.
extra piece. Wait, do we?
Yeah, we do have an extra piece.
Yes!
We have to add another piece to the extra piece count. Woohoo!
Let's just check if it goes somewhere.
Well, actually, we need to put this.
wait, no,
in
wait,
there.
no.
Yeah, we need to put that piece in there. I get to do it. That's
No, you don't. We breaking up this. Okay.
And boom.
This is what we have. Like a skyscraper with
Doesn't
balls.
really look like a cat, but
You
all
can
right.
see. Okay, the
We'll see you in
balls.
the next one. Bye.